Hey Curly Teas, this recipe is made with 3 special oils to help soften and moisturize the hair. To find out what they are, keep watching. Today I'm making a softening leave-in with 3 great oils. High-quality, cold-pressed hemp seed oil usually offers immediate softening for the hair. Shea oil is said to be high in essential fatty acids and helps in the process of protecting the hair and skin. Castor oil is a thicker oil mainly used to help protect the hair and to lock in moisture. Remember to wear gloves, especially if you're preparing this for someone else. Now get all of your main ingredients together. You may think of a few more during your process, but start out with the main ingredients first. The base of this mix is aloe vera juice instead of water, but you can use purified or distilled water if that's what you have. From my research, betaine anhydrous, aka glycine betaine, aka trimethylglycine, is the food-grade version of the humectant called beet sugar extract. Now don't quote me, but it both feels and behaves like beet sugar extract in my hair. It's creamy, but not too thick. It's both moisturizing and conditioning. I recommend using this mix on damp or wet hair before adding other oils, butters, or gels. Now that's it. Enjoy your 3 oil softening leave-in cream, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. We also just joined Twitch, and if you prefer to become a patron at Patreon, please don't hesitate to sign up. Get more DIY recipes at CURLYTEA.com. Become a member and get all of the DIY recipe information, including ingredients lists, instructions, my notes. See full videos, get information about teas and herbs, additives, humectants, emulsifiers, blog posts about important issues. Get all of that at CURLYTEA.com. Thanks for watching.